So I've been waiting for one of these kits for a long time. I see them in the UK all the time. So jealous that they have those little freeze kits they can use without having to buy that expensive stuff we have to buy. So here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Huh, pretty cool. I like that. Check water flow, that's pretty cool. Easy bleed. And here we go. Hold on. This other way. Make sure the box is empty. One more thing. What's that? What is that? Oh, whole nother can. Okay. Put it out of the way. Let's get this box out of the way here. Let's open this box up. Not be a savage. Let's open it normally. It's called Arctic Spray, so. Look at that. Did two at one time. That's pretty cool. I am really, really excited. Look at that. Put it on a pipe. That's it. Should work out pretty good. So let's bump that phone call. That's it. I might have a job today, so you might see an action today. So I just wanted to open up and show what I got.